Eric Jackson. I work at Old Salem Museum of Gardens. My interests were in small-scale urban food production, sort of as a means towards environmental sustainability. Old Salem began in the 1950s with the goal of preserving and restoring the town of Salem for future generations. So in the gardens, we do that by restoring the vegetables, herbs, flowers, shrubs, and trees that would have been here during the first phase of Salem, which is 1766 to 1850. We achieve that by researching to find out what that appropriate plant material might be, and then we source it, and then we grow it in the gardens, and then we propagate it to be grown year after year. 350 different varieties of vegetables, and then like how do you can't save all those every year, so like what's sort of honing it down to what's most rare, what's most important or relevant to the Salem store here at Salem. There's 120 different varieties of flowers, and most all of those are different individual species. And then we probably save seed of about 28 different vegetable species, with multiple cultivated varieties of each of those. So we save probably a total of about 75 different varieties of vegetables now, and we actually grow maybe more than that, but those are ones that we get from commercial catalogs and we're not saving year to year. So for there, it's just kind of drying on the shelf, and then we clean it over the winter time, and then I just sort of have it in more of a form where at the seed swap, take it to the seed swap and have a jar that's labeled, and people can take a little scoop and put it in their own packet and label it and take it home and plant it in their garden next year. We found a good combination of this being a really good location, and then for teaming up with the master gardeners and the Slow Food Piedmont, it kind of worked, so we've had a really successful one. Culture, as we're in society, as we're going, seems to be causing that to a large degree, and if we want to change and sort of try to steer our rudder in a more sustainable way, we have to change our practices. Which means we might not have all the systems that we're used to, and we might need to rely on other ways with seed saving. But that's sort of speculative, and I don't know. Who knows how things are going to go.